I am taking this, the standard chainsaw chain off and replacing it with a ripping chain. Just wanted to record this. If anybody ever had a question of how to replace a chain. All right, so very important when replacing the chain, so you need to make sure that the teeth are going in the proper direction, because it will go on backwards. So the chain is going to go around the saw this way. So you want the teeth to be hooked in that direction. For tensioning, you want to be able to pull the chain so that it almost comes off, but not quite. Because as it rotates, the mass of the chain is going to be slinging around. So at this long part, if it was loose enough to come all the way out, it would, and then it would jump the chain, or jump over the bar. So that's it. Pretty easy. It only takes a few minutes.